Sources of law. 1. Legislation, law made by a formal legislative body, for example, Parliament. 2. Judicial precedent, law developed through court decisions, case law. 3. Custom, traditional practices accepted as legal requirements. 4. Conventions, unwritten rules guiding the behavior of state institutions. 5. International law, agreements and treaties between nations influencing domestic law. Essentials of a valid custom are antiquity, must be ancient and continuous. Reasonableness, should be fair and just. Certainty, clearly defined and unambiguous. Consistency, must not contradict existing law. Compulsory, accepted as binding and obligatory. Position of custom in ancient law, primary source of law, governing social conduct. Position of custom in modern law, supplementary source, used when legislation or precedent is silent. When does custom become law? When recognized by courts and given legal force. Define precedent, a legal principle or rule established by a court decision that guides future cases. Merits. A. Consistency, ensures uniformity in legal decisions. B. Predictability, helps predict outcomes of similar cases. C. Efficiency, reduces the need to relitigate settled issues. D. Development of law, gradually evolves law through judicial interpretation. Demerits. A. Rigidity, can lead to outdated or unjust decisions. B. Complexity, creates a vast and intricate body of case law. C. Slow development, change in law can be slow and dependent on specific cases. Doctrine of precedent in India, binding precedents, lower courts are bound by decisions of higher courts. And persuasive precedents means decisions from other jurisdictions or lower courts may influence but are not binding. And hierarchy means the Supreme Court's decisions are binding on all courts in India. Do judges make law? Yes, indirectly. Judges interpret and apply existing laws, sometimes creating new legal principles through their rulings, especially when dealing with new or complex issues. Legislation means formal enactment of laws by a legislative body, for example, Parliament. Supreme legislation, authority, created by the highest lawmaking body, for example, Parliament, cannot be challenged. Subordinate legislation, delegated authority, made by bodies or individuals under the authority of supreme legislation, for example, rules, regulations. Position of legislation as a source of law, primary source, most authoritative source of law, often superseding other sources. Compared to custom, more precise and adaptable, unlike custom, which is traditional and slow to change. Compared to precedent, provides clear, written laws. Precedents interpret or fill gaps in legislation. Flexibility, can be amended or repealed more easily than precedents or customs. Codification is the process of organizing and recording laws in written form, like legal codes. Classification, civil code, governs private rights, for example, contracts, family law. Criminal code, defines crimes and punishments. Procedural code.